Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
A professional person authorized to practice law, conducts lawsuits or gives legal advice. A professional person authorized to practice law, conducts lawsuits or gives legal advice. A person engaged in one of the learned professions. An authority qualified to teach apprentices. An athlete who plays for pay. Engaged in a profession or engaging in as a profession or means of livelihood. The professional man or woman possesses distinctive qualifications. Engaged in by members of a profession. Professional occupations include medicine and the law and teaching. Characteristic of or befitting a profession or one engaged in a profession. Professional conduct. Of or relating to or suitable as a profession. Professional organizations. Of or relating to a profession. We need professional advice. A person engaged in one of the learned professions. Sports, the chief official, as in boxing or American football, who is expected to ensure fair play. Evaluate professionally a colleague's work. Someone who reads manuscripts and judges their suitability for publication. Be a referee or umpire in a sports competition. An attorney appointed by a court to investigate and report on a case. A person who pleads for a cause or propounds an idea. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Push for something. Speak, plead, or argue in favor of. The doctor advocated a smoking ban in the entire house. An unethical lawyer who incites accident victims to sue. A British or Canadian lawyer who speaks in the higher courts of law on behalf of either the defense or prosecution. A lawyer who specializes in the business of conveying properties. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Give advice to. The teacher counsels troubled students. Something that provides direction or advice as to a decision or course of action. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Someone who has supervisory duties at a summer camp. Someone who gives advice about problems. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Someone who has supervisory duties at a summer camp. Someone who gives advice about problems. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. The lawyer representing the defendant. The lawyer representing the defendant. A lawyer specializing in actions for divorce or annulment. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. A government official who conducts criminal prosecutions on behalf of the state. A government official who conducts criminal prosecutions on behalf of the state. A government official who conducts criminal prosecutions on behalf of the state. A lawyer who represents indigent defendants at public expense. A government official who conducts criminal prosecutions on behalf of the state. A petitioner who solicits contributions or trade or votes. A British lawyer who gives legal advice and prepares legal documents. A lawyer who specializes in defending clients before a court of law. A lawyer who specializes in defending clients before a court of law. The responsibility of a lawyer to act in the best interests of the client. The responsibility of a lawyer to act in the best interests of the client. The learned profession that is mastered by graduate study in a law school and that is responsible for the judicial system. He studied law at Yale. A rule or body of rules of conduct inherent in human nature and essential to or binding upon human society. The collection of rules imposed by authority. Civilization presupposes respect for the law. The force of policemen and officers. The law came looking for him. The branch of philosophy concerned with the law and the principles that lead courts to make the decisions they do. A generalization that describes recurring facts or events in nature. The laws of thermodynamics. Legal document setting forth rules governing a particular kind of activity. There is a law against kidnapping. The collection of rules imposed by authority. The great problem for jurisprudence to allow freedom while enforcing order. The branch of philosophy concerned with the law and the principles that lead courts to make the decisions they do. United States lawyer and politician who formulated a production code that prescribed the moral content of United States films from 1930 to 1966, 1879 to 1954. United States lawyer involved in several famous court trials, 1881 to 1954. A town in central Kansas. Arabian philosopher born in Spain. Wrote detailed commentaries on Aristotle that were admired by the schoolmen, 1126 to 1198.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.